doing? Oh, no.
It's
Not
protein.
now.
It's protein.
No. Look how ignorant you are, Jay.
It's protein.
Jay, I said no. Don't do that now. I have
to wash
no.
your hair.
You don't do that to me. You don't do that. That's
But I love you. I have to wash your hair.
I don't love you.
You do like that. Didn't go over too well, so after I calmed her down a little bit, we're about to start shampooing using a product. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is wet the hair and get it really saturated. And then after that, we'll start with our first shampoo. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Moisture RX shampoo. And the first thing you'll notice is that even though she's shampooing pretty vigorously, it's not tangling up. Is it okay if I tell some of your business?
Yes.
Okay. So her hair underneath this color is white. It is completely, she's about 85% gray. So we color it every about week and a half, every 2 weeks. So when you have gray hair that's dry and you have coarse hair or you have type 4 hair, the more moisture you get, the better it is for your hair. So even though her hair is colored, underneath it's still gray. And she has type 4 hair. So we need to put as much moisture in it as we can. All right, and next we are going to go with the Moisture RX conditioner. When you're shampooing your hair at home, take the conditioner, put on a generous amount depending on your curl type. Like the tighter your curl, the more conditioner you'll likely need. So apply the conditioner, run it through, don't do what she's doing and keep vigorously running your hands through your hair. Take it and detangle your hair as you put it in, like that. Run your fingers through your hair while the conditioner is in your hair. That'll help your detangling process. Okay, so you want to let the conditioner sit in for a few minutes. So while the conditioner is sitting in your hair, take this time to massage your scalp. Don't forget, blood circulation, it also helps promote hair growth. So take this time, massage your scalp really good. No matter how big or small your head is, just massage it really good and it'll help with that blood circulation. Okay, I did not warn her about this step, but I decided to do the overnight conditioner. Now, it's not something you absolutely have to do every time you shampoo your hair, but I definitely recommend it at least once a month. It gives it that extra boost of moisture. And let's say you're going to the salon the next day, maybe shampoo your hair at home the night before and do the overnight conditioner. And then when you go to the salon, get it rinsed out. But I definitely think that you can tell the difference. All right, so last step, overnight conditioner. So this conditioner is going to stay in your head overnight. And my favorite part about it is...
Overnight?
Yeah.
I didn't let this my hair overnight.
Well, okay. All right.
Just say overnight.
Yeah, overnight, just till tomorrow. But look, if you want healthy hair, look, the overnight conditioner, I'm telling you, it just stays in overnight. We'll put a cap on your head, and then tomorrow I'll finish down, and I got you, I promise. So we're gonna apply this cap on, and then take your bonnet or a nice scarf, and then you're gonna put that over this cap, this shower cap. And then tomorrow morning, we'll take it down and see what the results look like. All right, it's the next morning. How did you sleep?
Good. Good.
All right, it wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
All right, so we're gonna take your cap off, and then now you're gonna start rinsing your hair out. And you're going to detangle it with a shampoo brush or your favorite tool. But what you want to do, another trick is, do it underneath the running water. Under the look at how easy this is detangling. This is the next day after the overnight conditioner stayed in. Look how easy it detangles underwater. Type 4 hair. Look at that. And do it underneath the running water. The running water is a major key to all of this. All right? We're going to rinse this out. After that, we're going to go to the next step, and we're going to go ahead and style it the way she wants it. How do you like it?
Oh, eu gosto.
Gostou?
Bom, gosto.
Yeah.
I like it.
Good. And see, it's not too hard, is it?
No.
Do you feel like you can do this by yourself
Yes.
all the time?
Yes.
All right, cool. I won't be around forever. All right, we're gonna put your cape on because we're gonna keep it professional. All right, so let's take your towel off. All right, so how does your hair feel so far?
Very good. Very good.
And next we are going to apply the leave-in conditioner.
All right, so as you can see, the air is starting to hit her hair and it's starting to expand. So what I'm gonna do now, while it still has a lot of moisture in it, I'm going to part it off in sections, and I'm gonna put some of the leave-in conditioner in, all right? And I'm gonna do like 1 pump per section, and I'm probably gonna do it in about 3 sections. And you don't rinse this out, you just put it in, you pull it through, and see, it's already starting to stretch her hair out. And it does smell good, right? It's starting to stretch her hair out already. Alright, so when she is blow dried, I'm gonna take a little bit of the rosemary oil and I'm gonna part it, her hair, and I'm gonna put it in. All right, so after I put the oil in, I'm just gonna run the blow dryer through just one more time. This is the last trick. So first, I massage it in a little bit, but then I run the blow dryer through just one more time. It heats the oil up a little bit, and it lets the oil slide down the shaft. Another quick tip, when you go through the flat iron, remember, the hair closest to your scalp is your newest hair. The hair towards the end is the oldest hair that you have. So the first time around, I like to just straighten the root first. All right, so I'm working on the last section up here, but so far, look how good it looks. And remember, I only flat iron the root. The rest is blow dried. But look how like shiny and healthy it looks. So I have straightened out all her roots, and now you could just take big sections and just run that iron out to the end. See? Because the roots are straight and the ends are blow dried, so it doesn't need that much heat. So you just take the iron, take big sections, and just run it out to the end. And then you're ready to style it. So how does it feel?
Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful.
And here is her end result. She was upset at me at first, but I definitely think that now she is happy with her results.